Now, do you ever wish that there was just a magic wand that would help you to manifest faster? Look, we all know that good things take time. But with my extensive experience with helping over 10 million people manifest their wildest dreams, and by experimenting with countless techniques, I've actually uncovered 4 essential tools that will turbocharge your manifesting speed. So keep watching. Hi, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Now, if this is your first time here, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button down here so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So today I'm going to reveal my 4 top essential tools that will turbocharge your manifesting speed. So the first one is visualization. Now, visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting anything that you desire. By creating vivid mental images of what you want, you can immerse yourself in the experience of having your desires come true. So to make your visualizations as effective as possible, create a clear and detailed mental image, incorporating all of your 5 senses. So choose a moment or experience that you will have once you have manifested what it is that you want, and then put yourself in that moment as if it's happening now in your mind. So what are you hearing? What do you see? What are you touching? What are you tasting? Put all of your 5 senses into play, and then that way, it's like your subconscious mind doesn't realize the difference and thinks that it's happening now. But more importantly of all of that is that you want to feel the emotion that you will be feeling when you experience that moment. Now, this is the secret to successful manifestation. Now, sometimes it can be a bit challenging to feel these emotions right away, especially if you're new to visualization. So this is why I designed a visualization exercise that's specifically designed to prime your mind to manifest anything that you desire. You just need to relax and follow my voice. So I'm going to put the link in the description box below so that you can download it for free. Okay, so number 2 is gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling is so simple, but it's an exceptionally powerful way to shift your focus towards the present moment and to attract a more abundance in your life. So by regularly writing down what it is that you're grateful for, you can shift your mindset towards positivity and abundance. And means what you're doing is focusing on the positive. Now, what we do know is what we focus on expands. So if you're only focusing on the positive, then all of a sudden, that's all you see. And then all of a sudden, that's all there is. So make it a habit to write down at least 3 new things every day that you're grateful for and feel your vibration rise instantly. Okay, number 3 is affirmations. So did you know that repetition is the key to reprogramming your mind? So with repetition, you can implant new thoughts, new behaviors, new patterns and beliefs just by creating new neural pathways in the brain. And these lead to lasting long-term results. I mean, this is why I love affirmations, because by simply just repeating a mantra every day, you can call in more love, more amazing opportunities, more success breakthroughs. You can call in anything that you want. They're so simple, and yet they are so powerful. So try them tonight before you go to bed to reprogram your mind while you sleep. Because what we do know is whatever we're putting into our mind the last 5 to 10 minutes before we fall asleep is what our subconscious mind is going to mull over all evening. Now, you know this to be true. If you've binge watched a show and then you go to bed and you start dreaming about that show all night, same concept. Okay, number 4 is mindfulness meditation. So did you know that by sitting in silence and focusing on your breath or a specific object for just 5 minutes, you're practicing mindfulness, and this can really give your mind and your body the benefits of meditation. You know, mindfulness meditation is a great way to test the waters, especially if you're new to meditation. And one of the many positive aspects of mindful meditation is that it can be practiced anywhere. Like even if you're washing the dishes or vacuuming the house or taking a shower, you know, wherever you are, you can use mindfulness to be aware of your surroundings. You know, what are you smelling, the sights, the sounds, everything that's happening around you in the moment. And mindfulness has been shown to alleviate negative emotions, reduce stress, improve your memory, even improve some of your relationships. and it's a great practice to do every day. Now, there are certainly many more manifestation tools out there, but I found that these 4 are the foundation for rapid manifesting. So do you have some that you'd like to share in the comments? I would love to hear your thoughts about this. Now, before I go, I just want to remind you to click on the link below to get your free visualization exercise. Once you try it, you'll see how it instantly raises your vibration. My name is Natalie Ledwell, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.